delivered an insight. An insight might sound like, hey, there's something that everyone who's looking for a home right now in this market is having to deal with. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of it. There's something that every medical practice that's collecting invoices is having to deal with. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of it. There is something that everybody that's being affected by the eminent domain of this construction and is having to move their business away from the on-ramp is having to deal with. I just wanted to make sure you were aware of it. That's an insight. Okay? The power question attached to the back end of that insight, how are you dealing with that? Right? How are you dealing with that? And if you really want some more conversation, or you're uncomfortable asking how are you dealing with that, put just out of curiosity in front of it. Even for somebody like Derek with his martial arts programs, right? There is something that every kid is having to deal with right now and nobody's talking about it. I just want to make sure you're aware of it. It's not just the traditional bullying that we're seeing. It's everything that's going on online. It's the underhanded stuff. Dare I say, it was almost better when we let kids just duke it out on the playground, right? Where we need to solidify the kids is really from the inside with their self-confidence, with their self-esteem. How are you dealing with that with Darian and Carlos right now? What a great question for Derek as their potential new martial arts coach to ask their parents, right? How are you dealing with that? It's a dynamite power question. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're gonna see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.